I'm a police officer. My name's Sergeant Terry Burns. It's my badge. It's concerning me that you're filming me, sir. Can you answer any questions for me? Please allow my colleague to do her job. Please allow my colleague to do her job, sir. No. If you're interfering with a police officer in the lawful execution of their duty, I will remind you that that is an offence. Please,
step out of my way.
I'm not in your way. I'm not in your way.
I'm walking.
You are
do not touch me.
You're attempting to interfere.
Do not touch me, and do not
interfere
me,
with a police officer.
I'm looking at her thin blue line badge. I'm looking at her thin blue line badge. She shouldn't be wearing it. Tell her to take it off.
I'm not instructing the officer to do that,
Well,
sir.
I will. Take off your badge.
The officer.
Take off your thin blue line badge. It's banned.
Is in lawful execution of her duty.
Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. I don't want to talk to you.
That is fine.
Okay,
so
go away now.
Go away now.
No, you're not instructing me anything.
I'm instructing you.
Don't instruct me
that if
nothing.
you interfere,
I'm not talking to her.
I'm not
in the
talking
lawful
to her. Execution of her
Have
duties.
you heard me talk?
When the sergeant accused the auditor of blocking a female officer, the footage shows something else entirely. The camera stays focused on the sergeant the whole time, so there's no moment where he interferes with her work. Trying to turn a calm, legal recording into a crime isn't just a training issue. It shows resistance to being held accountable. And the fact that it comes from a sergeant, someone who is supposed to set the standard for others, makes it even more concerning. Instead of leading, he tries to use his rank to scare someone who's filming legally without offering any real reason for it.
Talk to her. Have you heard me talk to her? Have you heard me talk to her?
Yes, I have, sir.
When have I, don't lie, you're on camera.
It's on your phone,
You're
sir.
right.
You've been talking to my colleague,
No,
sir.
I've been talking.
Yes,
I said you
sir.
tell her
You've
to
asked
take
me.
off the badge.
You've asked me
I asked
when.
you. Tell her to take that badge off. It's against the Met uniform. You shouldn't be wearing it.
Hey, can we ask what you're doing here, though?
Yeah, I'm looking at you taking off.
That's
I
fine.
want you to take that badge off.
You've got emergency
So that's what
contact,
you know.
mate. You've got
What?
someone
So
waiting
that's
for
what
us.
you know. What I'm doing. Okay. I'm looking at you and telling you
reason
to
why
take
you're
that badge
filming
off
people coming in and out in their personal
because
cars?
you are wearing that badge. And I want you to take it off. It's a disgrace.
Well, no, I'm trying
It's a
to do my
deface
job,
the union
and I've got
flag.
people
Well, get
that
in
are
the
waiting
van
for
and
me.
do your
I
job
can't,
then.
well, you're filming people
I
coming
can do
down
what I
a secure
want.
police building.
I can do what I
That's
want.
a
I
bit
can film the building.
It's a bit of concern for us, though, isn't it?
Why?
It's a secure police building.
Why?
and you're
Tell me
filming
why.
it.
Tell me why.
It's a security risk.
Why?
Isn't it?
Why?
A police building with people going in and out.
Until
of
we
their
And
cars
am I on a
stuff.
public pavement?
Pardon?
Am I on a public pavement?
private building.
Am I on a public pavement? Yes, you said, yeah? I'm in a public
dispute.
space.
But let me
So
remind
therefore,
you-
don't come up to me.
remind
Don't
you-
walk to me.
Listen,
Do
let me
not.
remind you
And I'm not
something.
listening to you. Do not
You're on
walk
the
to me.
public pavement
I'm on the
and
public
you're
pavement
also
filming a building.
obstructing the
No, I'm not.
public
You're obstructing it.
They try to claim the auditor was getting in the way of a female officer's duties, but the video proves the opposite. His camera is clearly pointed only at the sergeant. Calling a lawful recording some kind of offense isn't a misunderstanding. It's a way to avoid being questioned. For a sergeant to behave this way is embarrassing. Then they labeled the auditor a security problem for filming officers walking in and out, which makes no logical sense. He calmly explained that he was on a public sidewalk where filming is allowed. Meanwhile, the sergeant had his own patrol car parked halfway into the road with the doors wide open, actually blocking the street himself. To accuse someone else of obstruction in that situation is absurd and a little alarming.
You're out the way. You keep on coming so close, don't you? You're intimidating me.
I'm not intimidating you, sir.
Section 5.
Oh,
yeah,
Section
you're causing
5
me
of what,
alarm, harassment and distress, okay? I don't care. I do not care. I'm telling you what I'm doing. Tell her to take that badge off. Go on, tell her to take the badge off. The badge is defaced union flag. It shouldn't be on your uniform.
We may seize that phone.
Oh, you won't.
Police and Criminal Evidence
No, you
Act.
won't. No, you won't.
If I think
you won't touch
that
my
there's
phone.
evidence on your phone,
There's no
sir,
evidence on my
I'm gonna
phone for
take
you.
your phone.
No, you won't. You won't.
I will
If you
take
touch
it.
me or my phone,
Listen to
no,
me.
I'm not listening
I need
to you.
to
I
get
keep on
close
telling
to
you.
you, sir, so you
No, you
understand
don't
me,
need to get
sir.
close to me.
If there's
Step
evidence on your
away
phone,
and
I'm
stop
gonna
pointing
take
your
your
finger.
phone, okay?
No, you won't.
This is not difficult,
No, you won't.
sir. It's
All
not
right, then.
difficult.
Well, I tell you won't take my phone.
You're telling me what, sir?
You won't take my phone.
If I feel there's evidence.
Oh, what evidence?
On your phone.
As what
sir,
evidence to do what?
I will take
Of what
it
crime?
Under the Police
of
and
what
Criminal
crime?
Evidence Act,
What
sir.
crime?
It's as simple
It's
as
not. Police and Criminal Act does not allow you to take my phone. You need to articulate a crime.
It does, sir.
What's the crime? When the sergeant threatened to take the auditor's phone under the Evidence Act, he couldn't even state a crime. The law only allows a seizure if there is a reasonable belief that the item contains evidence of an actual offense. Filming in public, even if police are nearby, doesn't meet that legal standard. This wasn't confusion, it was misuse of authority. He tried to use the law like a threat, hoping the auditor would hand over his phone out of fear. But as soon as he was asked what crime happened, he couldn't answer. No theft, no assault, nothing at all. Without a clear charge, there is no right to search a person's belongings.
If I believe,
What's the crime?
Well, you have indicated.
Yeah, go on.
You're alleging that an officer is wearing something they shouldn't, sir.
She is.
Oh, evidence then, sir.
Evidence from me.
Yes.
Yes,
I will take
me.
the evidence from you.
Why? Why?
Under the
What
Police
crime is it?
Evidence
What
Act.
crime am I doing? Is it a crime to identify a defaced Union flag for police?
If you're saying
What do you
that there is
want?
evidence
What do you
about
want?
your phone, then we can seize that, can't we, as evidence?
Film yourself.
Pardon?
Film yourself.
I don't need to film myself.
Oh, are you filming me?
Pardon?
Are you filming me?
Yeah.
Have you told me?
You haven't told me you're filming me. either.
Have you told me?
No.
It's within your policy to state at the first
Policy is
practical,
not law that I
at the
tell you
first practical opportunity to let me know that you are filming me. Okay? And you haven't even done that, have you? You haven't even gone by your policies. That means you're a tyrant.
It's policy that it's not.
You're a
it's not law
tyrant.
to do that, is it?
Of course it is. Are you mad? You're supposed to be telling people that you're filming them. You know GDPR? State of protection.
When the auditor reminded them that policy requires officers to state when they're recording, the female constable snapped back, "That's policy, not law." But that policy exists for a reason. It guides officer behavior and protects the public's trust. Ignoring it isn't a tiny mistake. It weakens accountability and pushes into GDPR problems, because recording someone without telling them means collecting personal information with no notice.
On your way. Move your car. It's obstructing.
You're currently obstructing the public highway.
No, I'm not.
sir.
I'm walking up and down. So I'm not currently doing anything. You're currently obstructing the public highway. Yeah? You're just trying to you're trying to lie. I think that's called manifest. Yeah, in public office. Yeah, I think so.
Called, sir?
Don't worry about what it's called. Tell me what pace is. Tell me what crime I'm committing. Huh?
Sir, please stop filming me,
Muppet.
sir. Please stop filming.
I will keep on filming you. I'm allowed to film.
He's filming the building. He's filming.
My body wants cameras on.
Officers,
Thank you for telling me your body worn cams. Thank you for upholding your policy.
Yeah.
Hold on a second.
You're right. Sorry.
I don't know what's actually happening.
So he's filming. Features me talk to my colleague.
You can talk as much as you like. It's a public place. Make privacy if you want to. Go on then.
He's filming personal cars coming out.
No, I wasn't. No, I wasn't. Stop lying. Stop lying. Stop lying. I wasn't doing
My
that.
colleagues coming in and out in their personal
No,
cars.
he's not coming in and out in his personal car. He was going in and I was filming. I didn't go to him and I didn't film him.
One officer then claimed the auditor was filming the sergeant getting in and out of his car. In reality, the vehicle had just arrived. The auditor stayed on the public pavement, completely within his rights. By pretending the filming was targeted at the sergeant's movements, she turned a legal act into an excuse for more interference. The auditor was right to call out that false story.
Off you go. Dismissed. Walk of shame. Off you go. I'm not being rude. I'm telling him. No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
Why? When you're telling
No, I'm
someone
not.
off you go.
Off you go. Dismissed.
excuse me, officer.
Rude is not a crime.
Say, if this gentleman has any footage on his phone of my car's registration number, okay, I fear under the Terrorism Act, unless we prove otherwise, that I'm in danger.
Yeah.
And I want this gentleman to understand that if I feel I'm in danger, he's refused to provide any details of what he's doing here, okay? If I feel that you're trying to identify me personally, sir.
Did you drive up? Did you drive up? Did I come to you? Did I ask you
have
anything?
immediately started
Did I
filming.
ask you anything? You stopped your car and you said to me, what am I doing? Who am I? So get in your car and go away. Stop trying to incriminate people and abuse the rules and laws.
Then the sergeant stood in front of his officers and mentioned the Terrorism Act just because his license plate was filmed. There's no legal support for that. A number plate in public isn't protected information, and no court has ever said that recording one equals terrorism. Section 43 only applies when there is a genuine suspicion of terrorist activity. Feeling uncomfortable about a car registration on camera doesn't come close to meeting that standard.
Your visit today here, sir.
She's wearing a defaced Union flag and she should take it off. That's what she should be doing. You should be telling her to take off, or he, she, them, however she wants to be represented,
What's the purpose of
that
your visit
she
today?
shouldn't be wearing a defaced Union flag on her uniform. That Muppet, whoever he is, no, I can call him a Muppet.
Why?
Because I can.
No one's calling you.
It's not a swear word, is it? Is Muppet a swear word?
trying to keep
Is Muppet a swear word?
trying to keep
Is Muppet a swear word? I'm asking you.
What's the
No.
purpose of your
So I can
visit?
call him a Muppet, can I?
What's the purpose of your
Yeah?
visit
Can I
today?
call him a Muppet? Can I call him a Muppet? Is it a swear word?
mate.
Don't be civil, I'm not your mate. Okay? If you want to be civil, go inside, leave me alone, because I'm doing nothing wrong. Okay?
What is
Off
the-
your pop.
What is the purpose of your visit?
Everything began with a false accusation that the auditor got in a female officer's way. The footage shows the truth. He never went near her, and the camera never left the sergeant. That kind of misdirection is a common tactic to escape scrutiny. From there, they tried to call him a security risk for filming people entering and leaving calmly. He explained again that he was on a public sidewalk, a place where the law gives anyone the right to record. Meanwhile, the sergeant's own police cruiser was blocking part of the street with the doors open, which raises the question of who was really obstructing anything. Next came the threat to take his phone under PACE, but when asked what offense had taken place, the sergeant hesitated. PACE only allows a seizure when there's a clear, specific suspicion of a crime, and lawful recording doesn't qualify. He tried to use legal terms as a weapon to intimidate, but with no crime, there was no authority to search or seize anything. When reminded about the policy to announce recordings, the female constable answered, "That's policy, not law. But these rules exist to maintain transparency and comply with GDPR. Officers are supposed to notify people when they collect personal data. Ignoring that guideline damages trust and risks legal consequences." To make matters worse, she told her colleagues the auditor filmed the sergeant entering and exiting his car, even though he hadn't even gotten out yet. That false version of events was clearly used to make a harmless recording seem suspicious and justify more interference. The sergeant's final move was to mention terrorism simply because his license plate was seen on camera. There's no legal basis for that. Section 43 requires a legitimate reason to believe terrorism is involved, and discomfort about a public license plate is not that reason. After being challenged repeatedly, the sergeant finally got back into his vehicle and drove away. His aggressive attitude, his refusal to follow basic policy, and the misapplication of legal terms weren't just unprofessional. They showed a serious collapse in leadership and respect for public rights. When officers treat legal recording like a crime, they damage the credibility of the entire department. That closes out today's episode. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. It really supports the channel and helps me continue covering these situations. And don't forget to check out Yardley Ski Auditing. Link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.